Hey guys, Vidit here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel VDiaries, and in this video we are going to review Transformer Bluetooth headset from Watchout wearables, and it has something unique to offer which is not present in every other wireless headset. Before jumping into the specs, if this is your first time on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, drop a like if this video helps you in any way. Ever since smartphone companies are getting rid of everyone's favorite headphone jack, wireless headphones are becoming a trend in the market. Or should I say, has become a trend. Even though there are a wide variety of wireless headphones out there, here we have a new entrant from Borofone. This is marketed by Watchout wearables in India. This headset can be your office companion as well as workout buddy. Watchout Borofone Transformer 2-in-1 wireless Bluetooth headset. Now that's a heavy name for a wireless headset. They are being retailed for 2000 rupees and links to purchase are there in the video show notes. Thanks to amazing guys at Watchout for sending me this unit for the review. I have been using this headset for a little more than a week now, and let's start the review by unboxing this thing. The box contains a pouch that has some extra ear tips and USB to micro USB charging cable. Going forward, this is the main Bluetooth device which I'll refer as a stick. That is the brain of this wireless headset. It already has a mono single ear type of connection attached, which is more of a business type. Going further, we get a stereo type headphone connectors that can replace a single earpiece connection. This is more of a casual wear and you can use it for your sports activities. The device uses Bluetooth 4.1 to talk to your phone. The device is sweat proof. The main device has a built-in microphone and the audio output is routed through the two earpiece options provided. Since the mic is located in the stick itself, taking call on a motorcycle results in wind noise. The power button on one side that can also be used to receive and end calls. Pressing this button twice will dial the last dial number. The volume rockers on the other side will control the volume with short press, and with long press you can change the music tracks. It has a non-removable 50 mAh battery which takes massive 2 hours to charge, and once fully charged it can give you playback time little more than 3 hours, which is kind of less in my opinion. With lesser battery, company has managed to keep the footprint small, making the device very lightweight. The device itself weighs only 5 grams. With mono connector it is 8 grams and with stereo connector it weighs 16 grams, which is incredible. While lightweight could be the priority for most of you out there, but I would have preferred either a large battery capacity or lesser charging time for the given one. The micro USB port at the end of the stick that serves as a connector for the earpiece, and it also acts like a charging port for the device. Quality of the plastic is quite okay, and the device comes in two color variants, black and the red. Connection process is easy like a piece of cake. You need to press the power button for long enough until the light on the device starts blinking blue and red simultaneously. On the phone under Bluetooth connections, it will appear as a Borofone BE10. Once you tap, it will be synced. Next time you just need to start the device and it will sync automatically with your phone. The range is good 40 odd feet without any hurdles, but if you use it indoors, then between rooms the range is quite acceptable. The device gives you audio feedback through the headphones for the most of the activity that you perform. Like when you start it, it'll tell you the battery status and sync status. When you get a call on your mobile, it also reads out the number. One odd thing that I noticed, that is, even if I full charge this device, for some reason the device tells me that the battery status is medium. The audio quality. Through the stereo headset, the audio quality is quite acceptable. Sure, it's louder than my iPhone headset, but the clarity and the treble proportion could have been better. The bass level is quite good, but the mids and highs could have been more crispier. Overall, I would rate it 6 out of 10, which is still good compared to the monitor headsets that I have habit to listen to. The mono earpiece just serves the purpose of producing the audio and nothing to brag about, since considering you'll use it to only attend calls. The volume through the mono earpiece could have been a bit louder in my opinion. The fit for stereo earplugs is snug and they don't seem to come off easily, so using them for your workout and morning jog is a treat. Plus you get variety of extra earbuds with different sizes, so you did not worry if the default one doesn't fit well. The fit for mono is also quite decent, and during casual movements they hold their position quite well. So the conclusion, is this headset practical? Yes. For the price, I think I would have expected something more with this price. Maybe a bigger battery or faster charging mechanism, maybe an integration of FM radio, Or maybe instead of micro USB connection for audio output, I would have liked an additional 3.5mm headphone connection so that I can exchange the default headphones with any superior headphones that I own. But with that 2-in-1 USB, I think they have something unique and special to offer with respect to the competition in the market. So if you are into that thing, there is a purchase link in the description. You can use it to help my channel without an extra cost. This has been Vinith, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace!